Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest gadgets and tools in the market. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings from Porter Cable, the PCCK617L6 20V Max * Lithium-ion 6-tool combo kit. This combo kit is a powerhouse, offering 6 essential tools that every DIY enthusiast or professional contractor needs in their arsenal. From drilling to cutting, this kit has got you covered. Let's start with the 1/2-inch drill driver. With its compact design and powerful motor, it's perfect for tackling various drilling tasks. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or plastic, this drill can handle it all. Next up, we have the 1/4-inch hex impact driver. This tool delivers impressive torque and speed, making it ideal for driving screws and fasteners with ease. Plus, its quick-release chuck allows for effortless bit changes on the fly. Now, onto the circular saw. Featuring a high-performance motor and a carbide blade, this saw can make quick work of cutting through lumber and plywood. And with its beveling shoe, you can easily make angled cuts up to 50 degrees. The reciprocating saw is another standout in this kit. With its high-performance drivetrain and tool-free blade release, it's perfect for demolition and cutting through tough materials like metal and PVC pipes. The oscillating tool adds versatility to your toolkit with its ability to tackle a variety of tasks, including sanding, scraping, and cutting. It's a must-have for any DIY project that requires precision and finesse. Last but not least, we have the LED work light. This handy accessory illuminates your workspace, ensuring that you can work safely and efficiently, even in low light conditions. Now that we've covered each tool in the kit, let's talk about why the Porter Cable PCCK617L6 stands out from the competition. One of the standout features of this kit is its portability. With cordless operation and a compact design, you can take these tools anywhere you need them, whether you're working on a job site or tackling a project in your own backyard. Additionally, the lithium-ion batteries included in the kit provide long-lasting power and fast charging, so you can spend less time waiting and more time getting things done. But perhaps the best thing about this kit is the value it offers. With 6 essential tools included, along with a free USB device, you're getting everything you need to tackle a wide range of projects, all at an incredibly competitive price point. So, if you're in the market for a comprehensive toolkit that delivers power, performance, and versatility, look no further than the Porter Cable PCCK617L6 20V Max * Lithium-ion 6-tool combo kit. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy DIYing!